Hook the hanger rod into the cutout at the top of the hinge housing. Position the door in front of the frame, keeping the hinge side near the frame jamb. Tilt the door and hook the other end of the hanger rod into the door's cutout. Lower the door gently until it's supported by the hanger rod. Lift the door slightly by the latch side. Don't pull the door more than 6 inches out of the opening. And guide the hinge into the hinge housing. Hold the door steady and move around to the push side. Push the door almost closed. Press lightly with your foot at the bottom hinge to ensure it's fully engaged. Be careful not to damage the door's finish. Then slowly open the door to seat the hinge housing. Install temporary hinge blocks at both the top and bottom of the hinge housing.